Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to get image consistency that is this great with just simple prompts. You can use AI prompts. You can ask ChatGPT or whatever AI model you are using to give you prompts to generate images from scratch. You can also give the AI model a sample and tell it you want something like this. So you first of all have to have a project in mind to work on and know exactly the kind of image that would fit it. Or this is just a general broad test running. So this is the image that has been given to AI, and the website is app.rev.com. This is the image I gave as a sample. Let it load up on this end. And all I told it was I need this image with different clothes and facial expression, and went from this to this, and then to this, and then to this, to this. Same image, same face, different body clothes. Now you see, even in some it's still retained the makeup that was on the first image. Now, because I wanted it to be more specific, I tapped on this one. So once you have given it your first image, this is how to import. You can click on attach. If you're using your smartphone, click on attach, upload files or maybe previous files. On your PC, you can do the same process, or you just drag and paste here from your files. And when you have uploaded the image, you type in your prompts and then you send it. Now, this was the image I gave it. That's why it is showing here. After it gave me 4 different samples, I used this one by clicking on it here. It came here and I told it put her in a blazers and half body. That I want half of her body to show, because this is just showing some part of her head and not the full body. And then it gave me these results. It gave me this one. Let's remove. And then it gave me this image. And this, because I did not state the color of blazers, it gave me different colors. I could tell it black, blue, and red. Now, if there's something wrong, or there's something I want to adjust in this part of the body, I could come to edit here. And it tells me woman background. If I tap on this drop down, it can tell me is it the blazers, the earrings, the top, the face, any part of it I want to adjust. Now I could tap on delete or edit, or I could use a prompt. Now this is a prompt that generated this image. So if I want to edit some part of the prompt and change this outcome, I could do just that. Let's see. Red. Let's make this blue. BLUE. Blue blazers. Done. And I can apply edit, and it's already generating. So this is not limited to, you can see it has given me the same image but with the blue blazers. So it's not limited to pictures. You can work for backgrounds. You can use to generate backgrounds. I think this background was used in a design. Okay, here was when I was telling it I need more. When I was testing out different concepts of background that could work for a design I wanted to do, and eventually got this image sample and I gave it this, and the eventual outcome is here. This is the image. This is the image in the background there. So it works very well for pictures, backgrounds, videos, and you can use them for free at least every day. It's once this bar is red, you cannot generate again. You have to wait for 24 hours or subscribe to the paid version, but the free version also works a lot well for generating images. Here's also another one. I think the original image of this was from another account. What I did was I gave it a design. Let me look for the design. Yeah. This design, I told it I wanted this vendor stand without the designs, and it gave me certain results, and I used to generate. Eventually, with prompting, simple prompts, I got to this result that we have here now, that I could use on my design and works perfectly. So that's how to generate very great image consistency with app.reef.com. Like and subscribe.